I'm the Joker, baby. We fucking clowning. Clown world, clown world. Okay, clown world. So, clown world. Clown world time. Yeah, I'm a clown. I'm a fucking clown. I'm a clown. I'm clown. So we're gonna be clown. Speaking of being a clown, I have merch and nobody ever buys it. Merch as in like, I actually make stuff. If you want to know this look, I do go through everything very briefly. This hair, I didn't mention it, but there's a link in the description. You can get 5% off. The clothes, I go through the makeup, and it's very incomprehensible. We clowning. We clowning. So, I figured, I'm a clown. I'm a fucking clown. So, who better to do this kind of meme than me? So, I haven't actually seen the movie yet because it came out today. And I had to work. So, if I see this movie in theaters, I'll get killed. Because I'm a femoid. So we're just gonna go off reference pictures here, and I hope that's alright. I do really want to see the movie. It looked really good, but I'll get killed. So I do have this little number, which look very Joker color. Green suede meme, which I got as a hand-me-down from one of my mom's rich friends at work who said, y'all are poor. Here's a bag of my clothes I don't like. I'm sorry this is taking so long to get the thing, but I already the fuck look just like Joker. Tutorial over. Use this lotion to prime. Y'all already been new. Before you put on the face paint, you want to map out the stuff that's not going to be, you know, the color. And it looks like a navy blue on his eyes, but it's more of like a not navy quite. It's like a navy, it's like a teal kind of color. So I think I have an eyeliner that's actually exactly that color. Perfect. 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 Who do you think you are? So this is Avon Glimmersticks eyeliner in the shade Blue Flare. I have this shade. So we're gonna go like this. Okay, it's like a diamond, right? Alright, we're clowning. So we're gonna start doing the white now. And for white, I like to use Snazaroo in white. The Snazaroo in white. There it is. And I like to start off doing face paint with a paintbrush, and then I go in and smooth out the lines with a sponge. So I gotta get some water though. Normally you would go all the way up to the hairline, but it appeared he doesn't, like around the hairline it's not there, and he doesn't have it on his neck or anything else. I'm gonna do a second kind of layer, I think, Just get some more pigment in a couple spots. And then I'll go over with the sponge to get rid of the brush strokes. So, the underneath my face, you see that? It's getting really red, and I can feel it getting hotter. And I don't know what it is, so I'm gonna ignore it. We're clowning, we're clowning, we're clowning, we're clowning, we're clowning. Okay, I think this shade might be kind of good in this BeautyTreats palette. I got this at Five Below for like $2 a couple years ago, and I don't think they have it anymore. And it's that shade right there. Hopefully that works. So I'm just gonna go around to like the edges here with a littler brush with the face paint to get where I didn't get before because I was scared of covering up my guidelines. So we're just gonna do a quick little, oh, whoops. For the waterline, I don't think he have this color in there. It actually looks like he has white in his waterline. Perchance. And he kind of also looks like he has black on his top line. And also, it doesn't go all the way in. It's like a triangle on top where his eyebrow is. Does it connect? No, it doesn't really connect. So, I already angered the gamers. This is not good. I got, wait, no, that's not even. Iconic Nyx Jumbo pencil milk. Alright. Nose now. So for the nose, I have the red Wet n Wild paint pot. These are cream paint, so if you use these, you're gonna want to set them with a red eyeshadow or powder or translucent powder. This brush. And we're just gonna follow this nose shape because it's kind of a specific one. This, alright, we're just gonna get this paint on this brush. Goes like around. It's round. Oh, let's get down here. Goes round, and then it goes like, it's like a, what do you call that shape? Like a horseshoe? No, not a horseshoe. What the hell do you call that? When it goes like, kind of looking pinky actually. Trace those out as well right now, but I have a red face paint finally, so that can just go over the white, and I'm sure it won't be that big of a deal. Should have not used white under it. So I tried to explain the shape, but it's hard to explain it. It's just like, I don't know, it's round and then it goes like that onto the nostrils. But basically you do that, then you want to get a red to help the vibrancy because you didn't trace it out beforehand, so now it looks more pink than red. We become the clown in this. We really do. This one, I'm literally running out of brushes, so I'm just... Oh wait, no, I want to use this one. It's a flat brush. And I'm actually gonna use this red, also in this palette, just because I kind of don't like this palette, and it's probably gonna be expired if it's not already. Powdering that up, caking it on. The mouth. I suppose I should start with the lipstick, but I don't even know if I'm gonna do that. I guess I can get a nice base out of lipstick. This is Pop You Love by Avon. Reduce the amount of lipstick I'm eating. I mean, face paint. And then I'm gonna get the face paint. The babe paint. The eyeshadow on the mouth was less to set it, because you kind of want it to be smeared, and more to just make it more vibrant. And I know it's crooked, it's supposed to be like that's how it looked in the picture. So, the last one is his eyebrow. He have a little hole. Okay, fleek. And when my light turned out. My light turned out. My battery dead. My green wig that I have. Put on the okay, kind of lit. That's actually pretty good. Well, this is the finished look. Editing Waylon, I'm sorry you had to sit through all that, because that was not good. You know to bye, subscribe, see you later all you haters.